Pian delle Vigne, Brunello di Montalcino 2016. This is Antinori in Montalcino. They purchased this land around 1995, so the Antinori have decided to produce Brunello di Montalcino with big oak barrels, and Pian delle Vigne is the name of the place, 6 kilometers away southwest from Montalcino, nearby a very enchanted old railway. On the nose, you can get these Mediterranean herbs and the broom flowers, just the stuff that you see around an old railway, very mineral, with some kind of like a blood orange presence, mountain strawberries together with blackberries. Very intense nose with a little bit of cola. I must have said this 1,000 times, but 2016 is the vintage in Montalcino because you have a combination of what Brunello di Montalcino is about. Structure and austerity, juiciness, so much juice power, but also fruit-driven character.